Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop Windows 10 booting in safe mode. So sometimes it gets stuck in this loop where you can't get out of safe mode. So this is a way around it. If you do find this helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what you're going to need to do first is come down to your search bar, which is down here in the bottom left hand corner. And you want to go ahead and type run. And then you should go and open up the run app, which should be appearing at the top under best match. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is type msconfig, like so. And then click OK. And what's going to happen, it's just going to take a second or two and it's going to load up a screen that looks like this. And all you want to do is, it should be on this one, selective, or it might be on diagnostic. And all you want to do is just come and click onto this one where it says normal startup, like so, and then click OK. So what can happen sometimes as well is it could, when you click this normal startup, the apply button might highlight down here. So what you would do is just click apply and then click OK. And then what's going to happen is it's normally going to come up with a message asking you to restart your computer. And you would just go ahead and restart the computer, and that would start up as per normal out of safe mode. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.